Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about Inkscape and how to write beautiful LaTeX fonts in Inkscape. So let's get started. So let's say I want to create a figure like this and write the fonts which are very similar to the fonts used in LaTeX. So now first I'll select this tool which creates and edits text object. Then I'll write physical element. After that I'll write curved element. Then to write t to the power p, first I'll write TP, then I'll use the superscript tool. See, I can also make this italic if I want. So I'll just use the command from here. Then see, it becomes italics. But you see, it's still very different from what is written in the figure. So how to add these? How to make these beautiful fonts using Inkscape? So let's try to answer that problem. There are already a lot of fonts available in Inkscape, but I want the font that is used in LaTeX. So first I'll just Google what is the font used in LaTeX. So I'll just type in LaTeX font and then press enter. So it is computer modern. I go back to Inkscape and quickly search whether computer modern is available or not. So here you can see that computer modern is unavailable. Also to write the special characters like lambda, zeta, phi, xi, we need to use some special characters which are called Unicode characters. So I'll just quickly go to Google and type in the Unicode characters used in Inkscape. So I'll just write Unicode characters Inkscape. Then I'll go to this site Geeks for Geeks. Then you'll see this list. All these characters and the Unicode. To use them in Inkscape, we have to enter text mode, then press CTRL plus U and then write these 4-digit Unicodes. So let's say I want to write xi. So there are two codes available, 039E and 03BE. Now let's go to Inkscape. See in the bottom domain, just press CTRL-U and you'll see Unicode. Then type in the 4-digit Unicode and press enter. See, now similarly, I can also add the another xi. Again, just press CTRL plus U and then type in the 4-digit Unicode and press enter. Similarly, for other symbols also, you can do the same thing. For all the Greek letters, there is a Unicode available. To beautify those Unicode characters, we'll use the AOPS tool, which is called Texer. First, we'll go to the website Art of Problem Solving. Then we'll go to the resources, and under resources, we will find LaTeX Texer. Then we'll write our LaTeX code as we write in any other LaTeX compiler. We'll use the $ for math symbols. So now I want to write xi in the small cap, in the large cap. Also then I want to write eta. For simple text, we can write them as it is, like the curved elements and mapping. Also, let's say I want to write curved elements in italics. I'll just select this, press CTRL-C, and then use the italics command. So text IT, and inside the curly braces, I'll write curved elements. Then I'll render them as PDF, and you'll see these are the outputs. Then I'll open this PDF in new tab to see my output. Then I'll save this PDF with the name Texer1. Then I'll open the Inkscape and import that Texer1 file. So I'll press CTRL-I Then I'll select the Texer1 file, click open. Then there are two options. I'll select the popular Cairo import. Press OK. Then use the select tool to select them. And then these are vector graphics, so we can enlarge them without compromising on its quality or resolution. To ungroup them, press Ctrl Shift plus G. And then to group some similar items, just select them and press Ctrl G. Now curved elements is grouped. Now you can move it wherever you want and resize it as per your need. Now you will see these two fonts matches very well. Also similarly, you can see this Xi is very different from the Xi that we created using Unicode earlier, and this is much better. Now you can go back to the Texer website and add whatever items you want in very beautiful LaTeX fonts. So let's say I want to add TP. I'll just render it again, open the PDF in new tab, and then import it. Import it in the Inkscape. So first I'll save this as Texer1. I'll overwrite it. Then again go to Inkscape and import that file again. I'll press Ctrl-I to import, then select Texer1. Then again select the popular Cairo import. Now you see I have the new selection. Again, first I'll ungroup them. I'll press Ctrl Shift and G. Now I'll select them, TP, and then group them. Press Ctrl G and then move it around. This new TP looks better than the TP we created earlier using the text mode. In this way, you can create these beautiful fonts that matches your LaTeX document, and straight away you can use the power of scalable vector graphics and the beauty of the LaTeX font simultaneously using Inkscape. So I hope you learned something today. If you have any doubts, just put it in the comments below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Also, please show your support by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Thank you.